My Lord, the
we're not aware of that level at this moment.
Yes.
In the circumstances, their request is reasonable, but my colleagues would like to draw the attention of the court to certain concerns having visited, been able to visit our clients. For me, I've just arrived this morning, so I'm yet to visit.
So you are not aware of this communication. Did I get you correctly?
Yeah, we have had it from him. That their request, the request they have put to you in the circumstances, since they both reported well, is reasonable. However, before the court makes a decision on that, my colleagues would like to draw your attention to certain concerns, certain issues.
You want to draw the what?
Your attention to certain concerns on which we have instructions, but they're the ones who last visited. So I would rather that it is raised by them and council, and we will be addressing your family.
So I say you want us to address the concerns before.
yes,
So we need to distinguish the two. The attention we want to draw to court and their request. You must first resolve the request, then probably go to their concern. What is your
my Lord, the resolution of the request is entirely in the hands of the court. Because
so I say you first go to our concerns and then we come.
no, but let me first finish on that point. That one.
So Masa has finished it. Masa has said the request is reasonable. And he said, however, you have other concerns. So the question Council Karvara is, we first agree, we resolve the concerns first, and go, we resolve to the request by the chosen persons themselves, and then turn to the concerns from the
And as I said, it's within the power of the court. So I'll be glad to reply what Govt perceives to be best.
So, Councilino, let us now go to the concern. So the request by this accused person passes. Wanted in prison to inform. I have one report. She said the accused persons are in hands of.
My lords,